In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add promotion extensions in Google Ads. Promotion extensions, now called promotion assets, let you showcase discounts right below your ads, making your offers more visible and compelling during sales or seasonal events. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left-hand menu, click on Campaigns so you're working in the correct part of the account. Next, open the Assets section. This is where you manage all ad extensions, including promotions. Click the plus icon to create a new asset and choose Promotion from the list. You'll be asked where this promotion should apply. Choose either a specific campaign or a specific ad group. Campaign-level promotions cover all ad groups within that campaign, while ad group-level promotions are more targeted to a particular set of keywords or ads. Select an occasion if your discount is tied to a special event, like a holiday or seasonal sale. This adds a label that can help your offer stand out. If you don't have a special occasion, you can leave it as none. Choose the language for your promotion asset, matching the language of your ads and landing page. Then select the currency that will be used for any monetary discounts. Make sure this aligns with your customers' expectations and the prices on your site. Pick the promotion type that best fits your offer, such as a percentage discount or a monetary amount off. Enter the discount value accurately, for example, 20% off or 10 off in your chosen currency. In the item field, describe what you're discounting. Keep it clear and specific so users immediately understand the value. Add the final URL where users will land after clicking your promotion. This should point directly to the relevant product or offer page, and the discount should be easy to see once they arrive. Under Promotion Details, choose whether the offer requires a promo code or a minimum order value. If a code is needed, enter it exactly as it should appear. If there's a minimum spend, specify the amount so users know the requirement up front. Set the start and end dates to schedule when the promotion should run. Consider adding a buffer on the start date to allow time for ad review, and double-check your account's time zone so the promotion begins and ends when you expect. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your promotion asset will enter review, and once approved, it can start showing with your ads during the dates you selected.